Unmute your understanding. Deciphering Mic Mute. Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you navigate the intricacies of the English language. Today, we have a tech-related phrase on the agenda, mic mute. Whether you're in an online meeting, playing a video game, or simply using a computer, this is a phrase you might come across. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your daily interactions. Mic mute is a short phrase consisting of two words, mic and mute. Mic is a short form of the word microphone, which is a device that captures sound. You can find microphones in devices like phones, computers, headphones, and standalone units. Mute refers to the action of silencing something, making it quiet, or turning off the sound. When combined, mic mute refers to silencing the microphone, essentially stopping it from capturing and transmitting any sound. This phrase is commonly used in various settings. Here are some scenarios to help you understand its usage better. Online meetings. In virtual conferences or calls via platforms like Zoom or Microsoft Teams, you might hear someone say, "Can you please mic mute?" There's a lot of background noise. This means they are asking you to mute your microphone to prevent any ambient sounds from disrupting the meeting. Gaming. If you're playing online games, you might need to communicate with other players. Sometimes, to avoid disturbances or to concentrate better, you may want to mute your microphone. Here, mic mute is a quick way to communicate this need. Recording. When recording audio or video, mic mute is used to signify that the microphone should be turned off temporarily to avoid capturing unwanted sound. Using mic mute in a sentence is quite straightforward. Here are a few examples to guide you. Please make sure your mic is mute during the presentation. Can you mic mute? I think there's an echo. Remember to unmute your mic after you mic mute. Note that in informal settings, mic mute is sometimes used as a verb, even though mute is the actual verb in this context. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on what mic mute means and how to use it correctly. We hope this video has clarified this modern, tech-related phrase for you. Remember, understanding these small phrases can make a big difference in effective communication, especially in our increasingly digital world. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!